Listen up, man. I don't care how badly you want her, how much you think you need her, or how much she might tease you. If you're thinking about chasing a woman, just stop. I know what you're thinking. She's the one I want. I can't let her get away. But trust me, if you start chasing a woman, it's already over. You might as well pack up your bags and go home. Why? Because chasing women never works. It's a waste of time, it's frustrating, and it always ends in heartbreak. Here are 10 reasons why you should never chase women. 1. Chasing women makes you look desperate. When you chase women, you're telling her that you don't have anything else going on in your life, and that you're willing to do whatever it takes to win her over. You're coming across as desperate, and women don't like desperate men. In fact, when a woman sees that you're chasing her, she'll start running in the opposite direction. She'll view you as a liability and someone who's not worth her time. And the more you chase her, the more likely she is to disappear completely. 2. Chasing a woman can instantly turn her off. When you're out there chasing a woman, you're essentially telling her that you're not worth her time. You're putting all of the power in her hands, and she can do whatever she wants with it. In most cases, this will instantly turn her off. She'll see you as someone who's needy and desperate, and that's not a perception you want to create. You're better off being pursued than doing the pursuing yourself. 3. Chasing a woman indicates that you don't have other options. If you're chasing a woman, it indicates to her that you don't have other options. Women are smart and understand that, typically, when a man is chasing them, it means he doesn't have other prospects. Women don't want to be the last resort or backup choice. When one person is doing all the running or chasing, it's unhealthy and unbalanced. It's not a true partnership. Instead of chasing her, be confident about yourself and your worth. That will attract a woman much more than if you're always pursuing her. Just like you look for potential partners who are not just settling for anyone. Women do the same. They're looking for authentic connections where both people respect each other's time and feelings. 4. Chasing women lets them know you might be clingy and needy. It's never a good idea to chase after a woman. One of the reasons why is that when she sees you running after her, it may signal to her that you're clingy and needy, 2 traits that aren't attractive to most women. When you are chasing a woman, it also tells her that you don't respect yourself enough to wait until she's ready to come and talk to you. Instead of chasing her around, build your own life and let her come to you when she feels ready. That way, both of you can get to know each other without the pressure or expectation of commitment. Plus, by not chasing a woman, it gives you more time and space to create a life that makes you truly happy. You'll be able to focus on projects or hobbies that are important for your mental and emotional growth, which will make it less likely for you to become clingy or needy when in a relationship. 5. Chasing women takes time away from other important things in life. You're always busy, chasing one woman after another. You think that if you could just get her, everything would be better. But the truth is, chasing women takes time away from the important things in life. You miss out on important family time. You miss out on important time with your friends. You even miss out on time to focus on your own needs. All to try to win over a woman who may or may not be worth your time in the first place. Time is precious, and you're wasting it by chasing women. It's time to focus on the things that matter most in life. 6. When you chase a woman, you are putting her on a pedestal. When you chase a woman, you are putting her on a pedestal. You are making her out to be someone special and better than you. This creates a power imbalance and is unhealthy for the relationship. When you put someone on a pedestal, it creates an unrealistic view of the person and sets up unrealistic expectations. You will be left feeling frustrated and disappointed when the person does not live up to your expectations. Furthermore, when you put someone on a pedestal, it is difficult for them to think of you as an equal partner in the relationship because they feel that they are above you. This can lead to difficulties within your partnership, as well as undermine any potential for a meaningful connection. 7. Chasing women is not an effective way to get to know a woman. When you chase women, you're not really getting to know them. Sure, it looks like you're showing interest and being persistent, But in reality, all you're doing is coming off as desperate and making yourself look like a creep. Chasing someone is not the best way to see them for who they really are. Instead of chasing, approach the woman with respect and get to know her through conversation. Try investing your energy and time into getting to know her for who she is on an emotional level and expressing your love for her by actually listening to what she has to say. This will give her a better chance to open up and show her true self, which will create a more authentic connection than any amount of chasing ever could. 8. You'll be seen as a weak beta male. The truth is, when you chase women, you're communicating that you don't expect them to come to you. You're essentially begging for their attention and becoming their emotional doormat. This kind of behavior sends the message that you don't have strength or confidence in yourself. It implies that you're scared of rejection and can't handle the thought of being alone. All of this adds up to make you look like a weak beta male. Sure, maybe a woman will take pity on you if you chase after her, but it'll be temporary. She'll realize eventually that she can do better and move on. The last thing any man wants is to be seen as an emotional punching bag. Trust me, no amount of short-term satisfaction is worth a lifetime of being viewed as less than an alpha male in the eyes of the opposite sex. 9. Chasing women undermines your personal integrity. Chasing women can also mean that you are compromising your personal integrity. Have you ever noticed that when you chase someone, they often start to take you less seriously and treat you with less respect? This is because they don't have to put in any effort and can still get what they want from you. When you chase a woman, it sends the message that 1. You don't value yourself or your time. 2. You have no self-respect or boundaries. And 3. You don't understand how relationships should be handled. This type of behavior will only push a woman away, as it reflects how little respect and value you place on yourself. This is why it's important that, if you're interested in someone, you let them come to you rather than chasing them. Not only will this make you seem more confident and attractive, but it can also show them that you value your own worth and also theirs. 10. Chasing women makes it appear as if you're sexually frustrated, and that's not an attractive quality. Chasing a woman can make it appear as if you're sexually frustrated, and that's not an attractive quality. When someone is chasing a woman, she can interpret the attention as being desperate and intrusive. This can lead her to be turned off or even scared by your behavior, and that's not something a woman wants to see in a partner. Additionally, chasing after her sends the wrong message that you think she is out of reach or unattainable, and it gives her the sense that she can play with your emotions without taking responsibility. By chasing after someone, it implies she has all the power in the situation and will make her less likely to want to get involved with you. The truth is, women are more attracted to men who don't chase them around and show confidence and assertiveness in their approach. Respect yourself enough to take initiative, but also show respect for her freedom by maintaining your own boundaries. Keep in mind that playing games rarely gets two people into a genuine relationship. It just creates an atmosphere of hostility, which dating should never be about. In conclusion, it's clear that chasing women is never a good idea. Not only is it fruitless, but it can also be damaging to your self-esteem and your relationships. So, if you're thinking about chasing a woman, stop and rethink your strategy. There are plenty of other ways to attract women, and chasing them isn't one of them.